What's going on, guys? Alright, so the next cabriolet video that I got for you guys, it's really nothing too crazy. It's just getting the 1.8T off the pallet that I had it on, getting it on the engine stand, and it's really just involved stripping it down, breaking the transmission off, getting the flywheel and clutch kit off. So enjoy. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.
So today we're going to get the transmission off, pressure plate, flywheel, clutch, all that stuff. Let's go. breaker bar, but all my half-inch stuff is at work. So we're stuck using a cheater bar and 3/8. Use what you got. So last time I was out here, I got the transmission off. On the bolts here because I got a little bit of OCD going. Make sure they all go back to the same spot, even though really they can't be mixed up. Next step for that is I'll take the transmission to the shop, get it power washed, get all that stuff cleaned up. Right now today I'm going to take the pressure plate, clutch disc, and the flywheel off and get it put on the stand. And if you do plan on reusing your pressure plate and your clutch disc, well, mainly your pressure plate, you're going to want to take the loosening sequence slowly, quarter, half turns at a time. I like to do quarter turns. The way the spring releases pressure evenly, there's no distortion. And you can reuse it. I had already broken those loose, but they were torqued. And as well as loosening them quarter turn at a time, you do want to go in a star pattern. Now that all the pressure is released off the clutch, I can just zip these out. Here we have that. This clutch disc is still new. I put that in about, shit, it wasn't long ago. Maybe it has 20,000 miles on it. This flywheel, on the other hand, I was putting it in 2012, and surface on this thing still looks great. It's got over 100,000 miles on it. Guess whoever was driving the car.
Tim's co-host, the deck man.
Clearly need a new compressor. What you get when it's free though.
2 more bolts out this time. Hey, hey, shut up. I need your fucking lip.
Next step of the build, maybe going to Lowe's or Home Depot to get a compressor.
No.
It's finally on the stand. Whew. Ready for disassembly. And that's all for tonight.